Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make crispy bacon. Pan frying is a classic method for achieving perfectly crisp bacon. Start by placing your streaky bacon in a cold, heavy-bottomed pan. This allows the fat to render slowly and evenly as the pan heats up. Cook over a medium heat, turning the rashers frequently until they reach your desired level of crispiness, usually around 8 to 10 minutes. For a hands-off approach, oven baking is fantastic. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Lay your bacon in a single layer on a baking tray, ideally lined with foil or parchment paper for easy cleanup. Bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, flipping the bacon halfway through. This method ensures even cooking and consistently crispy results with minimal effort. The air fryer offers a quick and efficient way to get super crispy bacon. Preheat your air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius. Arrange the bacon in a single layer in the basket, ensuring no pieces overlap. Cook for approximately 8 to 12 minutes, checking and flipping halfway through. This method uses circulating hot air to achieve a delightful crunch. To achieve the ultimate crispy bacon, always pat your rashers dry before cooking. This helps them crisp up better. Avoid overcrowding your cooking surface, as this can steam the bacon instead of frying it. Cook until the bacon is deeply golden brown and firm to the touch. Finally, drain the cooked bacon on paper towels to absorb any excess fat, ensuring maximum crispiness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.